Here we go. This is how it looks. Ooh. It was dry. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be trying something that I have been itching to try since I saw the video. I saw Amber Ansa do it. I saw Kimberly Sherrill do it. I saw, you know who I would love to see? Natural 85. I would love to see her try these. But they are the Waveformers, y'all. So I'm trying to get a little water wave effect with my hair. Last night I washed and deep conditioned. So I guess I'm going to start on this side. And I put my hair into 4 twists on, is it 4? 4 twists on either side. And my hair is still damp, so of course. So I'm gonna go ahead and start, but I just want to show you like what's going on. So my hair, I did the baking soda treatments, I shampooed, deep conditioned with the, it's like Sally's dupe for the, it's a 10 deep conditioner, I think. And rinse that out, detangle my hair, and just put it into the 4 twists after I sprayed some leave-in conditioner on it. So I'm about to wet it a little bit more and then go ahead and start. So a few things that you're gonna need is a curl former hook, like an actual curl former hook. I got this because I always heard that the ones that come with these were super flimsy, and they actually come in 3 pieces, whereas a curl former hook comes in 2 pieces. And it just in general feels like much heavier plastic. It's more flexible, and it just feels like it's gonna stay together. This one, like maybe a good slingshot. I don't know, but I don't want it to keep coming apart. So I do want to, I have blue and I have yellow, so I'll show you the 2. They're exactly the same length. I got mine at 65 centimeters, and you know, they're, you know how the other ones, they go in different directions, these just same waves. And the curl former hook is like so it's a little bit more thick. You can see that there's not as many seams in the plastic and stuff like that. So for this part, I don't know how many will go into each one. I know I have 2 sets of 28, I think, including the hook. So it's probably like, I don't know, 2 hooks for each one, I want to say. So it was something like, hey, stop. Mama. Okay, thank you. Can you get up here on the bed? Because I need this space. Can you get up here on the bed? No. Yes, you will. Say yes, mommy. No. Okay, thank you. So first of all, I had 2 toddlers running around the room begging for snacks on this day. But I had already put it in my mind I was going to try out these waveformers, so girl, here I am. So basically what I did was I took each section of 4 and I split it into about 5 or 6 sections. I sprayed it down, split it into kind of an upper and lower subsection, brushed it out, and then I went ahead and put it into parts. Now this made it much easier for me to just go ahead and slide the hook right onto my hair without it snagging or catching and jerking your head around. Trust me, I've had plenty of experiences like that with curl formers, and this was just an easier experience all around, especially with the curl former hook. The hook wasn't falling apart, so it wouldn't fall out halfway through your pull, and it would just made it so much easier. So I highly recommend that you get a curl former hook if you are looking to try out waveformers or even bootleg curl formers. Get a real hook. Get the bootleg curl formers, but get a real hook. So I didn't use any other products. You may see me using maybe a bit of shea butter sometimes if I needed to kind of smooth out that section of hair. But other than that, I just used my leave-in in a spray bottle, and then I used, the shea butter. And that wasn't even on every section. So also keep in mind that these results were very soft, very silky, very stretched, but they didn't last extremely long. So I would suggest doing a foam wrap, a gel, or something like that that would help your results to last a little bit longer without getting frizzy, especially in these upcoming summer months. So you can see I had half of my hair done here, and it didn't take long. It maybe took me about 30 minutes. And I just, put on a show, sat back, chilled, and put all of these in. It was not tight on my scalp. It was not uncomfortable. Like, seriously, this is a level up from curlformers, in my opinion. Okay. So I have a few more left. And I have like maybe 4 waveformers left. So I think it'll fit. I think we're good. So I'm gonna start by doing a section. I've been doing them a little bit bigger on this side because I did the sections pretty small on this side. So I did them a little bit bigger on this side, and I think I made it just about right. So I think altogether I have 48, and that's what I expected. So let me get my stuff. This is so funny, walking around my house with all this on my head. My baby's just looking like, Mom, what is going on? So, let's see. Okay, so what I've been doing, especially in the areas where it has a thicker amount of hair, is twisting it a few times. About 3 times, 4 times. And then giving it a little space to allow the hair to get in there. And trust me, I've still been yanking myself quite a bit, but I'm getting a little bit better. So I feel like with these, it's a little bit easier than the curlformers because you don't have like such a tight curl that your hair has to go in there so tightly. So if the stretch is still good, like we out there. So, and I also think that I can get it on like a little bit easier and not like hurt my head. Cause you don't know what's in her head. So I feel like I won't hurt my head as much as if I would have used the curlformers. So hopefully I can get this process down to like 45 minutes. Wash my hair, deep condition it, and then put these in at 45 minutes. And that would be like my dream. It's a good, like for me, I'm not necessarily looking for it to be a cute style, more so just looking for it to stretch my hair. I need something that will stretch my hair without heat. My blow dry hair is always just stiff and dry. And I need to be able to stretch my hair to like do mini twists and to do braid outs and stuff like that. So I think it'll be great for the summer because my wash and goes don't last in the summer at all. So that's like my fall thing, my spring thing. But I just wore them out this winter because I had cut my hair and my wash and goes were just such a great shape. Now that my hair has grown out a little bit, I just haven't been wearing them. And I don't know, I'm kind of over it for right now. Make sure I don't miss any hair. So I'll make sure I wind it and then do it. Okay, last one. And I just ordered some products for this that are gonna be super dope, and I think they're gonna help a lot. So I have a foam wrap, and I also have a I guess a wrapping lotion or whatever, something that's for roller sets. And I also have like a sealing gloss, shine spray. Like I got a few things that are gonna be great for this style, so I'm excited. I want to try with gel one day too, just to see if it will last, but OMG, I'm done. And my scalp does not hurt. Like, this is dope. So, I'm going to put on my dryer cap probably later and see how long they take to dry. My hair's not soaking wet, so it shouldn't take that long because I'm just like considering my hair. I'm gonna have to sleep in these mugs. But I think that with just me doing it on damp hair instead of wet, I should be fine. I'm gonna kind of pull them back like this so I can just live my life without all this plastic. But the cool thing is, these are so long, let me hold it here, that I can wear them until my hair is like draping. Okay, so I have 48 waveformers in my hair total. And here we go. This is how it looks. Ooh, I'm so excited just to see how it looks like. Ooh. I didn't put anything extra. I literally just put my leave-in conditioner mixed with water and sprayed that. It was so slippery and everything, like my hair was good. So let's see how long these last. So here are the results, y'all. When I took that first waveformer out, I just couldn't believe it. I took out the second one and my mouth just dropped. Like, look, watch my face. Look at my face. I was so surprised. Now, y'all keep in mind, I do not straighten my hair, so I rarely ever feel my hair in a stretched form. So my hair just felt so like soft and silky to me. It was just weird. One thing that I love about the removal of these is that you can literally hold them at the bottom and pull them right out. And because they're just a wave and not a curl, like they slide right out of the hair. With curl formers, I noticed that the curl formers, you have to, kind of straighten them out, open up the root, the curl former at the root, and then pull it gently, and it can still sometimes snag. With these, they rarely snag because if you hold them right at the end, they come right out. And I love that about it. The removal process was like 5 minutes or under. It was just very simple, very easy. And I was like, they just did something with these. I ended up doing a voiceover. I'm doing a voiceover now because the audio was messed up. So I need to kind of get my audio situation together, but I really still wanted to share this footage because I've been loving using these waveformers and I've used them multiple times since. So I definitely wanted to share the footage, and hopefully this will inspire some of you to try these out. I think they're dope. I think every natural needs some. And I think that they are, just like I said, a really great foundation for different styles. Yeah, that's much better. Ooh, dang, my hair's stretched. And so again, this is 48 of them. 48. So, wow. Wow. It's not snagging at all like my bootleg curl formers. They did something with these bootleg waveformers now. Look at my hair. I look like a 90s hot girl. Dang. Last one. Wow. Oh no, I got one more. But they were super lightweight. They didn't pull on my scalp, but look at my scalp. My hair is so soft. Like, this is ridiculous. Wow. Wow, Waveformers. This one looks a little bit fuzzy at the end, but oh, it's this one. Wow. Look how freaking soft my hair is. Like, my hair is silky, bruh. Silky. I don't even know what to do with it. I'm just confused. I didn't think I would have this result. Wow. That is so weird. Like, I don't flat iron my hair. My blow dryer does not get my hair straight. So just to see this, it's just straight up weird. It's just weird. To feel my scalp, it's just weird. You can kind of even see a little length. Oh. Alright y'all, I hope you enjoyed the video, and check out these waveformers. I will put a link in the description box to where you can find them. They are not expensive. You can get them on Amazon or eBay, and I'll put all the tools that I used in the description box. I'll see y'all in my next video. Please do subscribe for more updates and videos. Love y'all. Peace.